Good morning, children. Have a nice day. See, previous classes what we have discussed, the children, Indian system and international system. Okay, how you are going to read the numbers using the Indian system and international system. Okay, in words, how you are going to write each and every number also I explain you, right? Okay, but I'm giving homework every day, but you people are not submitting, children. Okay, very few are submitting. Remaining also try to complete it and send it to me personally. Okay, today's topic is comparing the numbers. Very important, children, it is. Surely it will come in bits. Okay, comparing numbers. How we are going to compare the numbers? Okay, by using the symbol greater than, less than and equal to. Okay, greater than, less than and equal to. Okay, still you came to the 6th standard. This topic is there from the 3rd standard, I think so. Okay, but you people cannot identify what is the symbol it is. Okay, greater than symbol. See, mostly we are using which hand, children? Right hand, right? Okay, right hand, just you put the symbol like this. This is a greater than symbol. Okay, see, very few times we are using which hand, children? This hand, left hand. Okay, left hand, just you put the symbol like this. This is a less than symbol. Okay, then equal to. You all know very well about the equal to sign, right? Okay, how we are going to compare the numbers? We are following the 3 steps here. Okay, the 3 steps also listen carefully, children, how to compare the numbers. Okay, see, I am giving the numbers here. See, the 2 numbers. 7, 4, 3, 2, 6 is one number. 5, 3, 6, 9 is one number. Okay, the 2 numbers, how we are going to compare it? Okay, the first number is 74,326 is the first number, and the second number is 5,369 is the second number. How we are going to compare these 2 numbers? The first step, I am explaining the first step. The 3 steps are there. Okay, when they ask to compare the numbers, stepwise you have to follow, children. Okay, for comparing these 2 numbers, which is a greater number or which is a lesser number, or is this both are equal or not, you have to follow these steps. Okay, see, first step, what is the first step? See, these are the 2 numbers. First of all, count the number of digits in this number. Okay, how many digits are present in this number? See, count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits are present? 5 digits. Okay, 5 digits are present in this number. Okay, coming to the second number, how many digits are there? Count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there? 4 digits. Okay, more number of digits are there. Okay, which number having the more number of the digits, that number is greater. Okay, which number having the more number of the digits, that number is greater. Okay, more number of digits, which number is having more? Say 74,326, having more number of digits. So this is a greater number. So you have to put the symbol here, greater. And one more small trick I will tell you, children. The open space always face to the greater number. Okay, that is a small trick. See, the open space always face to the greater number. Okay, this is the first step. What is the first step, children? You have to compare the number of digits in both the numbers. Which number having the more number of the digits, that number is the greatest number. Okay, see, I am comparing the number of digits in both the numbers. See, this is the first number, 74,326. How many digits are present in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. So write here 5. Next, coming to the second number, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are present in this, 4. Okay, which number having the more number of digits? See, this number 74,326 having more number of digits. So this number is greater. Okay, greater than symbol already I told you. See, the right hand side use the symbol this is. So this is a greater than symbol, right? Okay, and open space should face to the greater number, right? Okay, this is the first step. Okay, what is the second step? Step 2. Step 2. See, 6,943 is the first number and 6,041. Okay, these are the two numbers I am taking here, and compare the number of the digits in both the numbers. Okay, see here how many digits are there in this number. Count number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are present here? 4 digits. 4 digits. Okay, immediately when you are going to compare the numbers, immediately write number of digits. Write number of digits. See, coming to the second number, how many digits are present in this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 digits. Then how can you identify the greater number in this both? Okay, see, the first step what I told you, which number having the more number of the digits, that is a greater, right? But coming to the second step, the two numbers having the same number of the digits, then how can you identify which is a greater number in this two? See, compare the first digit of this both. Okay, see, suppose here, wait children. See, these are the two numbers. First number is 6,943. The second number is 8,041. Okay, if the number of digits are same for these two numbers, then you have to compare the first digit of the two numbers. Okay, what is the first digit of this number? 6. See, what is the first digit of this number? 8. You have to compare the first digit of both the numbers. Okay, the first digit is 6 here. The first digit is 8 here. So, when you are comparing the first digit of the two numbers, which is a greater? 6 is greater or 8 is greater? 8 is greater. So, 8,041 is a greater number when you compare these two numbers. Okay, see, now 6,943 is less than 8,041. Okay, already I told you the open space always faces to the greater number. Okay, see, this is a number is less than this number, right? You have to put the less than symbol here. Okay, second step, I hope you understand children. See, if the number of digits are same, then how we are going to compare the numbers? Okay, you have to compare the first digit of the numbers. Okay, first digit of the numbers. Here the first digit is 6 and here the first digit is 8. Okay, 6 is greater or 8 is greater? 8 is greater. So, 8,041 is a greater number. Okay, and which symbol you have to put here? When you are comparing these two numbers, see, 6,943 is less than 8,041, right? Okay, you may get doubt children. Madam, you are telling to compare the first digits of these two numbers. If the first digits are same, how to compare the numbers? You may get the doubt, right? That is a step 3. Okay, that is a step 3. See, what is the step 3? If the first digits are same, then how you are going to compare the two numbers? See, 7,641. See, 7,135. See, first of all, what you should do? First of all, you have to compare the number of digits in both the numbers. Number of digits in both the numbers. See, how many digits are present in this number, children? Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. And count the number of digits in this number, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Okay, if the number of digits are same, then only you have to compare the digits of the numbers. Right? See, compare the first digit of the numbers. What is the first digit here? 7. Even here also the first digit is 7. The first digits are same. Then how you are going to compare? then immediately you have to go to the second digit. Okay, what is the second digit here? 6. Coming to this number, what is the second digit here? 1. 6 is greater or 1 is greater? 6 is greater. So 7641 is the greater number. Okay, you have to put the greater symbol. Okay, greater than symbol you have to put. 7641 is greater than 7135. Okay, equal to, easily you can identify it. Okay, see. Six thousand four hundred and 6,430. See, number of digits are same. The number of digits are equal here, and the digits which are present in the number also equal. So these both the numbers are equal. You have to put the equality symbol. Okay, equal to symbol you have to put, both the numbers are same. Okay, I hope you understand how we are using the greater than symbol, less than symbol and equality symbol. Right?